Shipping your products to Amazon Warehouse in 2024 can be a straightforward process if you follow these 14 steps. This guide is designed to help beginners navigate the process efficiently. Research and understand Amazon Warehouse policies. Begin by familiarizing yourself with Amazon's warehouse policies, including eligibility criteria, acceptable product conditions, and any restrictions. Gather necessary materials. Prepare the required materials, such as packaging boxes, packing tape, bubble wrap, and a printer for shipping labels. Prepare your products. Ensure your products meet Amazon's condition guidelines and are properly cleaned, repaired, and have all accessories included. Create an Amazon account. If you don't have one already, create an Amazon account to access the Amazon Warehouse services. Register as a seller. Complete the registration process to become an Amazon seller, which will grant you access to the Amazon Warehouse program. Determine the right Amazon Warehouse service. Choose between the Amazon Warehouse Direct program or the Amazon Trade-in program, depending on your products and goals. List your products. Add your products to the Amazon Warehouse inventory, providing accurate descriptions and images. Generate shipping labels. Once your products are listed, generate the appropriate shipping labels for Amazon Warehouse through your seller account. Package your products securely. Properly package your items to protect them during transit, ensuring they are well cushioned and sealed. Attach shipping labels. Affix the generated shipping labels to the outside of your packages, making sure they are easily visible and readable. Schedule a pickup or drop-off. Coordinate with Amazon Warehouse to schedule a pickup from your location or to find the nearest Amazon Warehouse drop-off location. Track your shipment. Keep track of your shipment using the provided tracking information, ensuring your products arrive at the Amazon Warehouse safely. Receive payment. Once your products are accepted by Amazon Warehouse, you will receive payment for them according to their condition and resale value. Monitor your Amazon Warehouse account. Regularly check your Amazon Warehouse account to manage your inventory, track sales, and address any issues that may arise. By following these 14 steps, you will be well equipped to ship your products to Amazon Warehouse in 2024 and make the most of this opportunity.